dent repair?
Great question. It's something that can not only save you money, but it can make you money too. Look, if you're like most people, you've probably gotten a ding or a dent or two in your lifetime, right?
Mm-hmm.
How does it make you feel when you come out and see that someone's rudely dinged or dented your car?
Makes me mad.
Makes you mad. Have you ever paid to have a ding or a dent fixed?
No, I haven't.
Nobody ever does, okay? But let me tell you what they cost. If it's the size of a quarter or so, it's about 60 or 70 bucks. If it's the size of a credit card, which is about as large as they can fix using the paintless dent repair process, it's about $150. So if you get 5 or 6 or 7 of them over a period of time, it's going to not only make your car look a little less good, it's also going to decrease the resale value. Here's what we're going to do for you. During the first year, we will take out a maximum of, is it 5? 5 dings or dents that can be taken out using the paintless dent repair process. Now, you probably plan on keeping your vehicle longer than a year, so when you meet one of our finance people, they'll show you how to extend that coverage out to 3, 4, even 5 years. First year is on us. What that's going to do for you, Brittany, it's going to keep your car better looking, but just as importantly, it's probably going to make sure that you get more for it when you trade or sell it down the road. So it's going to lower your overall investment. That's what paintless dent repair does for you. Okay, there's just a little more, because most people don't know what paintless dent repair is. I mean, in Blairsville today, I'm going to guess 112 people are going to get a ding or a dent. Okay? What are they going to do about it? Nothing. But will they pay for it? Yes, down the road. But do they know that? Do they think about that? I mean, if a customer or a consumer comes out and sees a ding or a dent, they don't go, oh no, my car has been devalued. They don't think that way. We got to help them think that way. Cool?